Hi everyone. I will be presenting تقدر, our application. تقدر is a gamification application to encourage individuals to practice precautionary measures during COVID-19. First, I'll start by presenting our team. Ahmed Khater is a computer engineering senior from the American University in Cairo. He's the current president of the Computer Science and Engineering Association and the previous chair of Technology and Innovation in the AUC Students Union. Ahmed is also an app developer for a payment facilitation startup. Habiba Gamal is a computer engineering senior from AUC. She has a minor in business administration. She has led many teams and worked on many computer hardware and software projects, including machine learning. Saif Sha'lan is a computer engineering senior from AUC. He has a minor in business administration. He's the founder of the Technology and Innovation Committee in the AUC Students Union and created the SU app. He is also a freelance graphic designer and was the marketing manager for the famous Egyptian beachwear brand Kai Collections. Omar Gamal is a mechanical engineering sophomore at AUC. He is currently pursuing an online specialization in entrepreneurship from the University of Pennsylvania and the minor in business administration from AUC. Our problem is that currently there is no vaccine for corona and governments need to open up as shutting down the economy will cause greater problems. However, people's awareness is low. This is clearly shown by the people who are continuing their lives normally without any change after the pandemic. Therefore, our solution is a gamification application to keep people motivated to stay socially distanced. In addition, it will help in early detection of corona through data analysis of reported symptoms. Our product vision is to enhance the people's awareness and change their lifestyle into a healthier and safer one. Our project has 3 phases. The first one is the implementation of our application in 1 or 2 districts only. After 2 weeks, we will update the application based on the feedback we get and implement it in 3 or 4 more districts. After another 2 weeks, we will update our application and implement it across Cairo and Alexandria. Now I will show you our prototype. This is our application. After the user logs in, he can view his loyalty points and label. Loyalty points determine the rewards the users get. Labels determine riskiness to corona. If a patient tested positive, he gets extremely risky label. The label is determined based on contact and proximity with positive or risky individuals using GPS and Bluetooth. This map shows the riskiness of locations based on the labels of individuals in these locations. As you can see, the app has few ad spaces. In this tab, the user gets asked questions about his symptoms. Based on his answers, the application will guide him on what he needs to do next. If the user takes this checkup, his loyalty points will be increased. This tab shows our partners. These are deep linked applications that the user can visit by clicking this button, for example, workout applications. This tab shows the shops where the user can get discounts based on his loyalty points. This tab shows the most recent news about COVID-19, and this tab shows the achievement badges and ribbons that the user can share on his social media platforms. We will also collaborate with the Ministry of Health to know people who tested positive. As for our competitors, we currently have no competitors in Egypt. As for other countries, there are privacy and data concerns in Australia, China, and Mexico. In Qatar, the application is mandatory and requires access to photos. In Turkey, the application shares data with the police. Iran's application collected more data than the rules allowed and was banned. The Malaysian app is available only on Android. All these applications only provide contact tracing. Our application is much more integrated with the users' lives, and it provides rewards to encourage the users to abide by the precautions, work out, and eat healthy. Our application can also be used later after the pandemic to formulate new habits. Our application does not unwillingly share any data with any other entity, and there is no human intervention. As for our marketing, in order to encourage people to start using our application, we will offer all users that register before a certain date points as a reward. We will also give them points when they invite other users. There will be ads on social media platforms to increase our outreach. The incentive for people to use our application is receiving coupons and discounts while staying at home. Users will be able to share their achievement badges on social media, as shown here in this screenshot from an Instagram story. The users will also be able to listen to popular songs like من خوفي وقلقي عليك من فضلك اقعد في البيت. As for our financial aspect, there are two scenarios. The first scenario, this application will be sold to the government. The second scenario, the idea will be implemented as a startup and it will see growth and profit while also having a clear social and impact on the community. Our customer segments are users who belong to the middle class and upper classes above the age of 12 who own smart devices. Businesses of all sizes, but mainly those who have no online presence. All governments affected by Corona in the MENA region, starting in Egypt. Our cost structure stems from server and its maintenance, ads, development costs, hosting on the App Store and Google Play Store, salary for data analysts, cost for coupons if companies did not collaborate at the beginning. Our revenue streams are from received fees from shops that offer discounts to our users, applications that are deep linked within ours, for example, workout applications, companies we recommend, and few ad spaces. Our market research revealed that Karim Safadi, founder of Kai Collections, believes that this platform has potential to educate people the correct precautions and it will help businesses get back on track. Abdelaziz Al-Sallab would be open up to partner with our startup since he believes that it will mitigate the economic repercussions of COVID-19. Ahmed Gamal, owner of Al-Khidawi Restaurants, believes that this application would be very handy in increasing the sales again, as Al-Khidawi will get the media exposure it needs. Thank you.